Understanding Intern Evaluation in the Workplace. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. In this session, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase often used in professional settings: intern evaluation. This phrase is key for those of you interested in internships or working in an environment where internships are common. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means. Intern evaluation consists of two main parts: intern and evaluation. An intern is someone who works at a company for a short period, often to gain experience, usually a student or a recent graduate. Evaluation refers to the process of assessing or judging someone's performance, skills, or qualities. So, when we combine these two, intern evaluation is the process of assessing the performance of an intern. The purpose of intern evaluation is multifaceted. Firstly, it helps in measuring the intern's progress and how well they are adapting to the workplace. Secondly, it is a tool for providing feedback to the intern, which is crucial for their learning and professional growth. Lastly, it can also influence the decision on whether to offer full-time employment to the intern after their internship period. An intern evaluation usually includes several key components. 1. Performance review, evaluating the intern's work quality, reliability, and productivity. 2. Skill assessment, assessing the intern's skills relevant to their field and role. 3. Learning and adaptability, understanding how quickly and effectively the intern learns and adapts to new tasks or challenges. 4. Professionalism, observing the intern's professional behavior, including punctuality, teamwork, and communication skills. Conducting an intern evaluation typically involves a few steps. Preparation, gathering information about the intern's performance and contributions. Meeting, a one-on-one discussion between the intern and their supervisor or mentor. Feedback, providing constructive feedback, discussing strengths and areas for improvement. Documentation, recording the evaluation results, which can be useful for future reference. That's all on intern evaluation. I hope this video helps you understand this important phrase and its relevance in the professional world. Remember, evaluations are a stepping stone for growth and development, not just a formality. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best in your language learning journey.